If you're diving into video editing for the first time, you might have stumbled upon Filmora, but does it really live up to the hype as the best video editor for beginners? Let's break it down and see what you can expect. Filmora is designed with newcomers in mind, offering a user-friendly interface that simplifies the editing process. Right off the bat, you'll notice its drag and drop functionality, which makes it easy to import and arrange your clips. The platform comes with a variety of built-in templates, effects, and transitions that can help elevate your videos without requiring advanced skills. However, while it does cater to beginners, some features like advanced color grading or more complex audio editing tools might leave seasoned editors wanting more. Filmora does allow for 4K editing, which is a plus, but it lacks certain professional features that could be essential for more intricate projects. Navigating through the software is generally smooth, but some users report occasional lag when working with larger files. Overall, it feels like a solid choice for someone just starting out, but there are areas where it could be clearer about its limitations. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Filmora's intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners. The wide range of effects and templates can really help your videos pop, and it's fairly affordable compared to other editing software. However, the cons are worth noting. Some users have expressed frustration with the occasional lag, especially when working on larger projects. Also, while it has a decent set of features, it might not satisfy those looking for more advanced editing capabilities. The free version has a watermark, which can be a deal breaker if you're aiming for polished content. So while Filmora is great for newcomers, more experienced editors might find it lacking in depth and flexibility. In conclusion, Filmora is a great entry point for anyone new to video editing. If you're just starting and want something straightforward, it's worth considering. However, if you're looking for advanced features or plan to do more professional work, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for beginners, but keep your expectations